Welcome. Today we are going to do a brief tutorial on Canva.com. Canva.com is a graphic design tool within an application. It's a fairly simple application to use, and you can use it in a lot of different ways. There is a free membership that allows you to do quite a few things, and then there is a paid-for membership. One of the interesting things to note before we move into how to actually create a design, so if you look over here on the left side panel where it allows you to go through and navigate through your pages, you're going to see a create a team option. So here you can invite team members to work with you where you can work collaboratively on the same designs and share them with each other and work on each other's designs, which could be very helpful in a collaborative setting, either at work or in an educational setting. You can see that I've been playing around a little bit. I've got a few different things I've been working on. And you'll see up here the basics of a start of the various different themes you can choose from. But if you go into Create a Design, you'll see that there's actually quite a few different opportunities, different varieties of media you can make with their templates. So there's the social media posts, documents, blogging and ebooks, marketing materials, social media headings, as well as event invitations and announcements, and advertising. You can also create your own custom dimensions and designs should you choose to do that. So today, for the sake of this tutorial, we're just going to make a very simple poster. Once you click the theme, it will open up in a new page. And you'll see on the right hand of the page, you will see your blank template. And on the left side, you will see all the different media that you have to use to create your design. To start with, there's a variety of layouts that give you the basics for how you want your design to ultimately look. So you can go through those. And as I've gone through and played with a bunch of these, I have noticed that most of the themes in most of the different templates are free to use. So that's a great benefit. So let's just choose this one. You notice once you click on it, it shows up over here, and now everything within this template is an element that you can click on and make some adjustments to make it fit your needs. Even the picture behind it. So if we wanted to change the picture, all we'd have to do is go over here to Uploads, and you'll notice that you have some options for how you can upload things. You can upload directly from your computer, from your own hard drive. There are in-app purchases, as I mentioned, that you can collect here and choose from. You can also download from Facebook if you have your Facebook account synced with the app. I'm just going to choose one of these images that I previously uploaded into my account and drag and drop it over. You'll notice that it snaps into place and sizes itself pretty perfectly without any need of me having to crop the picture, which is kind of a really great thing. Now within that we can change the white, say the white text is not really working anymore. We might need to change that to black. Change all, let's see how that looks. Still a little thin, so we might want to bold that. We might also want to change the font. You can change the size, you can change the color, you can change the spacing of it. It's all very simple to do. You can also go over here and you can change the transparency of any aspect of the image as well. If we go back over here, you'll see that there's some other things that you can add to the page. Various different elements that you might want to add for different types of design documents. So for instance, if you were making say a postcard or maybe a business card and you wanted to add a background design, you can choose from a variety of different designs here. And you'll notice they are also free until you get down to some of the more ornate designs down here. Each one of these two, as you select them, you can change the color patterns on any one of these to match your needs. You also have options here with the text. So there's a variety of different fonts that you can use, but in addition to that, as you go down, you start to see that there are also different kinds of stamps and sticker type settings to put your text into that can add to your document in a different way. And those are also quite a few free options that you can use. So this lets you create more of, say, an infographic or something of that type. There's also some elements that you can use, so you can find free photos, you can find grids and frames, illustrations, charts, various different things. You can go into each one of these and look for what they have available. So that you'll notice there's a lot that are free, But what you might notice as you go and you want to maybe search through it and find a certain type of image, for instance, maybe we're looking for monkeys, now you start to see that a lot of the images actually come at a cost. So each of them are a $1, but once you buy it, it does stay in your account and you can use it as many times as you want to. So you can choose that if you like. Once you're done and you like the way the final layout is, it's pretty simple to just download it. You can download it in a PDF. You can also do a JPEG or however else works for you. One of the other documents that I've been working on, playing around with, was this business card. It's something that I'm going to need very soon, hopefully, for my career change. And you go over here and you'll see there's actually quite a few different options for the theme for business cards, and they are all also free, which makes that a pretty great option. Overall, I think Canva is a pretty simple tool to use. It has a lot of great different images available in it. You can do a lot with the free version. I can see why to do anything a little bit more robust, or if you're doing a lot of different types of graphic designs, you might want to pay for the paid subscription or use a more robust tool that you might have available someplace else. But for what it is, the simple tool that it is, it's pretty convenient and pretty easy to use.